Hi there, students. Berserk. Berserk means crazy, unrestrained rage and anger. Okay, so when he saw that everything had been broken, he went berserk. He went crazy. I think we need to look at the origin of this word. This word comes from Old Norse, in Scandinavia. And the Vikings had a type of fighter called a berserker. And a berserker went into battle in a total frenzy. Okay, totally crazy. Really, really mad and angry. So, a berserker. This is a Viking warrior who has lost all control. So, if somebody is berserk, an adjective, you say they are in a frenzy of rage and have lost all control. Okay? Going back to our berserker, this word probably comes from bjorn, bear, naked, and circa, shirt. So I imagine this berserker had a naked chest, and I see him with this huge axe, screaming and yelling. Okay, so berserk. We particularly use the verb to go berserk, to get really, really, really upset. Yeah. Now the next question may be formality. I think this is probably neutral, maybe tending to informal. You could definitely use this in an informal conversation. To go berserk, I'm not sure I would use this in a very formal document. I would say to lose control, a fit of anger, a frenzy of rage. I think those are the phrases I would use in a more formal setting. You can also use this berserk to mean crazy. So the new policy that the government is trying to implement is berserk. It's crazy, unrestrained. And notice as well, I know it sounds strange, but you can use this word berserk in a positive way. Normally it's negative, but the kids went berserk over the toys that I brought them. So here I'm using it to mean to go crazy with happiness. But be careful with this use, Berserk with happiness, berserk with enjoyment. You could use it like that. But remember, most normally, it's a frenzy of rage. It's not upset. It's not angry, it's a lot more. So angry that you lose control completely. Probably not a good thing. So, berserk. Unrestrained, frenzied fit of anger. From Scandinavian, a berserker, a Viking warrior, I think who is follows Odin, who went absolutely crazy in battle. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Berserk.